Invisalign is great because you can still maintain all of the normal habits that you have. You can go out in public with them and smile. You can eat whatever you want to, drink whatever you want to, all while straightening your teeth. Invisalign works by starting with a digital scan of your teeth. We then use a third-party company, either Invisalign or another company, to show us how we're going to move your teeth from where they're at now to where we're going to finish up. You get a series of aligners. So say you get 20 aligners to straighten your teeth. You wear one set for 1 week, and then after a week you switch to a brand new set. So every week you're putting in a brand new set of aligners, and each aligner just moves your teeth just a little bit at a time. Not only can you achieve the beautiful cosmetics from it, but if you have any issues with your bite, we can get everything to alignment, so you achieve both form and function to set you up for long-term success.